for the very first time, Nana Piamensa hold the press conference. Now, when they gonna focus, they will go through Embra Wokopi Ewo Dubai and Sensema is here, our bag Ghana so Sensema is here. Now, it was say, we update Ghanaians, especially the customers, Ewo and Sema Koso. Now, Nana Piamensa Ebayan, what in Sembi Ebetu just say, was Sisia Abayin a freezing the account and in Yama Bebre. Na Dubai sikana se wo mutiano no wo hia aban mboa enye se aban enkoje scanema no but in the sense say aban on freeze account no on freeze that say account na aban e freeze no aban MB account ni mo sana sikana beba and I think asking for that is just in the right direction because so we bisa bibisa na ana se ye ka se ye twen ama legal process between aban and namwa no every dia. We all know that Ghana has said sometimes legal processes can take a very long time, as far as 10 years. Not to say, you say you're trained for 10 years, and son and I'm one, ABS Canada, I'm with your customers. No, for me, one of Nam1, Ninyama Wobisa Abaino, no, and I thought it wasn't something out of order. I thought it was in the right sense. Now, Nipa Bakwa, what your top journalist Ghana has said. Nsema wode tuja concerning nsema na napia mensa ebisa abaino wutumi se nipa no neni anje ho eye wo man hene Kwabena Asante very frankly and very honestly emra na meeting nsema wo man hene Kwabena Asante kano I was just asking myself one question me say wo man hene wo ya sure say na napia mensa the press conference no wotie bia na because personally I felt say nsema na napia mensa wo bisa no it was not out of order. But Omaihene was taking the issue in a different lane. In Zambia, Omaihene cannot say war blasting and appear mensa just for asking say buying Sebi won't be account Munasi Canabra. For me, I thought there was nothing wrong with that. And an appear mensa Esamsuka say, send ya yade assembly betone so say wono na appear mensa would Jani Figana names Nyamano. Wono na appear mensa ekano on authority. Say woko bisa woko for kwan answer woko. I felt say if Omaihene really wanted to talk about the issues that was the issue nanka and also it was say wakasa efa ho but he picked and chose. It just tells you say already know he wanted to attack Nana Piamensa. For me when I was listening to Omaihene that was my perception because in Sembebre Nana Piamensa can Sembebre obi tinase bisa sansem na obo no say say aban etwa yentro and some governmental agencies etwa Ghana for nyantro but who yele say who attacking Nana Piamensa for this some people have the notion say multimedia mpo de woman your imagine say womo de womo attacking Nana Piamensa the personality ni ebe kai e sha say free Israelai reportage awoko meki ye efa Men's Gold England ho na senyan so Nana Piamensa ye granting the bill no efia pokia ebe kinkan sem bi fa no tre say nkrofo bia wo mo multimedia wo mo make comments bia suggest say multimedia for nangasa no they are against Nana Piamensa no one knows why and na wo man hene so di we abebom etie for yenko tie nsema wo man hene wo di tuja I think wo man hene took the argument on a pedestrian lane. Omaihene is a journalist, he's supposed to know better. But now argument now we're making for me, I thought say no. Omaihene is too high for such an argument. So there, Nipa won't name information and Nipa won't name in some and Nana Piamensa war Kasafa Hono. So Nipa no so will make his argument, no, not you Omaihene Kwabena Asante. So personally I was like that be Omaihene no when tie interview no when tie Nana Piamensa interview interna will make his argument to him. It's young what in some of Omaihene what they Etsuja.
Government should assist you to get your money from Dubai. Government should come up with a legislation to regulate your business. Come on. The more say source getting plug down here over to Kazansim naturally. Please, we are living in a country that is regulated, not the likes of Namu number say what we are supposed to do. That's why you do other people and send the brain. Please, the deception in this country is becoming too much. What is all this? You are going to give government instructions? Now you say what your business you are coming to do is not regulated. And now Kasad back after about one going to Dubai. Fatun China will deal with number one. You are creating unnecessary tension among the for what? Who you ask about catches our bank you on freeze account. Now don't catch them money Ghana na. And you go to you go blame more business here. I don't catch them money Ghana na. Everybody takes the law to his own. Now he has the guts. Yeah, some money for Juma no eh. Now and Juma. What do you mean? What do you mean? If you knew that it was a gray area, was it not prudent to tap into this regulatory fund and say quite Juma?
Na neoma na o kan one tia.
Oh, massa, who get ghost? Oh, no, see, we will continue to debate whether ghost is. Please, when the catcher is uncle on your press conference, massa, Jainamon, baby, Jainamon, baby, I don't know. On your bank, can I say so? No, sir, bank is go to buy man. No, no, sir, bank is go to buy man. It is we a customer of men's good. I want to and never hope. Me. Would you was seven okay? What be Jainamon a bank is some tough from Jainamon 72 baby. So what was innovation? Oh, please, Obi, please, Amazon. Oh, first in chain. Uncle Samra no, Omo mine because he's number one. Omo mine Samra, no man Jume. What does it mean? Please, now Ghana normal say. Ghana. No be a ban no abeki kadu open no kosa. Ya ye din ye sha onye din no hwe ways and means that he can survive the system. Ghana. And I pity those people who are down.
For me ya because o man hini you be a metashe no. Me ya papa. Say what my hini would decide to tow this lane, this pedestrian lane. Say me think kind no. O my hini is a top journalist. He's supposed to know better. In summer what my hini no, he was just speaking like a politician. Uyo will be a wentie Nana Appiah Mensah ni interview no. Na wubetie in summer what my hini you'll be deceived by your my hini in the first place. Because there were my hene can say Nana Appiah Mensah say government enko jinisika ewo Dubai emano. Na what jineti na utie ne senya wo my hene e de atodwa. Wo kra wo bubefu say Nana Appiah Mensah pan wo wakoye wa de ewe no aban no mbe brenko ji usika ma. But that's not what Nana Appiah Mensah said. Asema Nana Appiah Mensah can say baby a edru no aban ye be hia wo in the sense say we freeze me account na me call Dubai eye court no share say yentua me no sa details na me dia mo say wo muntua fa sa account nim aban we freeze sa account no nti mboa wo beboa me ne say mesrew sa account na we freeze ne wo de biem na scan mbra wo de sika ne betom na so freeze account kra yenim say wo sika ne dem. What you say? But see, I will freeze the account in there. Sika bia entumi betum, sika bia also entumi free. And no, and Nana Appiah Mensah kan. But what your man hene asema? Ube free say, Nana Appiah Mensah kan say oh, abayen ko Dubai ho, na abayen ko chasing nkrofo no nonjiska dabi. Interna make can say, oh man hene has taken the debate to a pedestrian level. Now he's a top journalist. And yes, wakasa sa. Now what can say now will be 8-year interview now. Nipakuno will surely think say what wa man hini say you are against a year Nana Appiah Mensah for no reason. Secondly, in some wa man hini esanso di tuja against Nana Appiah Mensah say Nana Appiah Mensah say abai enshishe law emma wono Nana Appiah Mensah nejuma nkoso no. That's not what Nana Appiah Mensah said. Nana Appiah Mensah say abai mesrel media mimi hu ne said de me no right. Ena mona mo say enye correct and wrong. Mesre, let's make it clear. Muma mi hu wo bia metumi akone ho. Mona mo say my ebone Matthias here. Muma mi hu wo bia metumi akone ho. Then I register properly under that person because mo kaya embra Nana Appiah Mensah nsem ne ba no. Bank of Ghana for eba bonte beka say in sama ananyama Nana Appiah Mensah no. It's not under Womo Bank of Ghana for into your more directly womun to me enclose a Yemen's go down. Embran sem ne shase no. Sa na buy Minerals Commission so ba bonten ebe kasai so womo so Nana Appiah Mensah is not working directly with them. Ati ase SEC so be kasai into Nana Appiah Mensah say sisi ano mo make the way clear. Na me hu ne say okay na apia men se dwuma na wo ye no nipa we ho asomesi ho na ese wo kɔ na asomesi ho na ese ana asomesi no na ese wo check wo ema ye hu se ade na wo ye no eye papa. Now if he asks something like this na ukọ wine no de be kan say o pese o dictate for abai no mom no na sebe o man hene Kwabena Asante. I mean, you're a big man in this industry. You shouldn't be talking this way. Leave this for a year sebe wo mo a wo mu nim enyama about this men's gold issue no. Say na me din kan no if you come out with such a statement obviously wo bia wo nim nsem ni ginechi a wo beka say o da bia branch we wa fa na mo an ho time. Because na one press conference na wo ye no he spoke on very serious security issues. Wo man hene Kwabena Asante, you needed to be worried about that. Especially say Euroko for mo na mo ma branch ne kwan say won ko Dubai. And na branch ne ba mo ho be sign ye. Branch na kan say yen ko check Euroko for records na wa ba be sign ne. O man hene san sem na kan say wo kasa fa ho. As a concerned citizen, I offer say Ghana for you who say wo ye no. Na kasa asem no na say wo kasa fa ho say Euroko for mo abe dada Ghana for because Interpol red alert ne ba ye no. Mu Euroko for na mo nsa hyase. Not knowing mu Euroko for be catch Ghana for say mu ni baby abrante no ko. Not knowing abrante na ba mo ho abesre kwan say wo ko chase ni sike bi. Nti ade na mo be dada Ghana for sir. These are the questions o man hene you should be asking. Na de na wo de fa na de na wo ko no. Ye ginechi a ye hu no se o da bi e your time hunu na wafa e wa branch no ho na se na me din gankan no wo bi e ka kire me se akwa se the whole multimedia group no akwa se they have something against Nana Apia Mensah na nipa ko no wo nim de Nana Apia Mensah wo de aye multimedia for because you see some top personalities in multimedia no mo de nsem bi ababonte no mo be kan nsem bi na prejudice nsem nkwa me se if a top journalists don't suppose or are not supposed to be speaking this way, I'm very, very disappointed in Omar Hene. As a fan, I'm extremely disappointed in him. Comment about the other two journal. I'm very, very disappointed in him. Therefore, Montreal Madrid or comment box me that's it.